Without a really great brand identity and visual presence, you get lost in the retail battlefield.
Packaging design is really important, probably more important than a lot of people think. We've all been in the grocery store, we see the shelves lined with tons of products, and really that package sometimes is the only message they ever get from that brand.
We get to know you and your brand, and then go out into the field and look at your competition and see what's happening in the retail world and how we can position you differently. And the design phase is the part we get to have fun with, and we're coming up with really creative concepts. And this is kind of the wow factor where you really get to see your brand come to life for the first time. We work with you and your printer, setting up color process, 3D models, so you can see how your product's gonna look on the shelf before you commit to it. And this is where your product actually goes into production before it goes on the shelf. A great packaging designer really understands color process, working with printers, and can really think in the third dimension. One of our recent clients, Wayfair, just got their packaging printed and rolled out. We went to about every retail space possible, and our goal was to create something that was completely unique, that didn't look like anything on the shelf. We went with really bold colors, bright illustrations all over the packaging, so when it sets up against the other retail environment, you see Wayfair standing out with these really bold illustrations.
And so its job is to really resonate with them, make them want to pick it up, investigate further, and find out what that product's about.
It was their first trade show and we got a phone call. They had a long line at their booth and really everyone said it was the best packaging they've ever seen. They took more orders than they could fill at that show. And so something that we focus on is really creating a cohesive brand look across packaging, web, and all of your marketing assets to make sure that it has that visual impact that's really going to draw in the consumer and make them connect with your brand.
We really want to emphasize that we've been in your shoes. We've run other companies, we've been successful, we've had failures, but you take the Smash Brand team and all of our experience building companies and running companies, and you put that together with really good designers, and you bring it really to a different level that you can't get from other designers.
That's the Smash Brand difference, is our team has experience in growing companies and products with great brand identity and visual representation. We can take a small and growing brand and really turn it into a popular global product.